Hey friends, how you doing? So if you watched my last video, you saw me almost light my kitchen on fire because of electrical issues. And so I will assure you all that I have an electrician. I actually had an electrician come yesterday. We went through a bunch of stuff in the house, I already had a comprehensive list, but he made a list, and he's coming back on Friday, and he's going to replace 3 ceiling light fixtures. So that kitchen light that exploded, and if you didn't get to see that, go back and watch that video. This ceiling light in here that is an issue, and then going to replace the light in the green room with a ceiling fan. And he's available Friday, which is awesome. And then he's not available for 2 more weeks because he's also going to come back and replace the 4 can lights. But he needs attic access, and I don't currently have easy attic access, and I don't know when I will, but I think we can work around that when the time comes. But the other thing he's going to do on Friday, which really makes me feel good, is he's going to go through the entire house and check every outlet and every fixture to make sure it's grounded and wired properly and the fuses are marked and adequate, which makes me feel really good because I know that the inspector, he didn't tell me specifically which outlets. He just said 1 outlet in the front bedroom, an outlet in the kitchen are not grounded properly or not something or other. So now, should I show you what I bought? Sure. Okay. So here's the thing. Before I contacted got the guy, the electrician, all scheduled, I got online because I didn't want to drive to Montgomery, which I ended up doing today anyway, so I guess that was pointless. And ordered a fan light for the green room, just a plain white ceiling fan, nothing fancy, and a light for the kitchen. But everything, and a new drill because my drill's broken. Everything's coming tomorrow except for the ceiling fixture. So I went to my local hardware store, the one that their paint mixer still isn't working even over a month later. So I guess I liked their paint. It's really disappointing, but I haven't started painting anything again yet. So anyway, I went there because I knew they had some lights, and my option was them or driving back to Montgomery or Walmart. I'm not bougie. Well, I'm a little bit bougie, just a little bit, but I'm not bougie enough that I have to have designer lights because I bought them at Home Depot. But I'm a little bit above, well, I'm not above anything. Half the lights in this house right now are from Thrift, Salvation Army, Goodwill, and Walmart, so I ain't that high end. But anyhow, I went there to see what they had because if by some chance, there's a chance that the one I chose will come before Friday, but I doubt it. So this is the one I ended up picking for the kitchen. And you'll see that. I don't have very good lighting in here. Let's see if we can fix that soon. It's a little more modern than I would like, but I think with the Edison bulbs and stuff, it'll look good. But let me show you the one that I ordered. So this is the one I ordered, and it's coming Saturday, and I couldn't even get it shipped to store in time to go pick it up, and they don't have it in stock in store. So this one has like let's see if I can I hover and you can see it has the seated bubbly glass shade, but it only has 1 light, so it wouldn't be extremely bright. I'm not extremely bright, but again, that kitchen, I don't need a lot of task lighting in that kitchen over that island because I have the 3 big windows, and once he gets those can lights replaced, I'll have those. And yeah, I don't really feel like I need a lot of light in there. But that one, the bottom of the shade is about 11.5 or 12 inches diameter, so it's not a real big light. But it was one of the few that had a long enough extension on it that would come down. So what do you think? I mean, basically, whichever, it's going to be the light I bought today unless this other one comes before Friday. And so I only have a decision to make. Also, the one I bought on Home Depot was a little bit less expensive than this other one, but that's neither here nor there. So also, this is, I'm going to take you in the other room. So this is the current light in the green room, and it's a beautiful light. I don't know how old it is, but it's, you know, this is not, I think it's solid brass, and it's beautiful. And if that bulb on the left worked, I would probably leave it, although it doesn't give me a lot of light, which is why one of the reasons I want the fan light. I want the fan to keep it cooler in here while I'm working, and two, I need a little bit more task lighting in here. Of course, I keep the shades drawn on these windows in the afternoon because it gets hot in here. So anyway, I'm not going to get rid of this light. I'm not tossing this light out when I replace it because it's so pretty. And maybe I can, fix that. And maybe I can use it in my bathroom when I remodel the bathroom. I think I can use it somewhere. At least that's my plan. Or I can sell it. I don't know. It's just really pretty. And if it worked, I would probably not even mess with it. But it doesn't work. One bulb is definitely not enough in here. So that's what I've been doing today. And I just wanted everyone to know that I'm going to be electric safe. What's the, wasn't there like a little after school special, kind of like Hermie? I can't remember anything from my childhood. Like about electricity, like he wasn't a little lightning bug or something, and he taught you electrical safety. Yeah, I need him here. And I guess I have him in my new, with this new guy. But so as of Friday, I will have some new lights. And whenever I get the attic access, I'll have, because I really want those hall lights fixed so that I can, but he has to be able to get to where they come down from the attic. So I get it. And he probably doesn't want to be up there working in that attic when it's this bloody hot anyway. So we'll see. We'll figure it out. Peace out. Oh, and there's a kitten. What are you doing, kitten? Hey, hi. Well, you're not on camera. And okay. All right. Well, I guess we need some. Here we go. There's two for here. Aw. It stormed earlier, and they're still a little freaking out. It storms every day here. Welcome to Alabama. Hey, babies. You love your best friend, don't you? All right, that's enough.